What's up, YouTube family? We're back today with another video, man. This time we're gonna see.
Get back, Jordan.
This time we're gonna see what happens when you pour baking soda and vinegar onto an ant bed. Got you, baby, Chase, Terrell, Mama on the camera.
Look at this. These folks clowns.
So yeah, let's get to it.
Look at the ant bed.
You, baby.
It's
That's a pretty big ant bed.
probably millions of them in there.
I don't think Jordan need to come near here.
Here you go, Terrell. Pour this.
Sprinkle it on. It's a spout on the top, baby. You open the spout.
Ain't see no spout, man. No spout up there. No spout up there. Put on. Oh yeah, dump it all on that son. Dump it all on
Dump it all on there.
Not on us, just on there.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, look. This have already.
Look at that.
Okay.
Pour. Come on. Stop.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Pour some more. That's funny.
Those are red fire ants.
Look at this.
Goodbye.
Y'all step back because they are all over here too.
Okay.
Wow.
Let's get some more.
It looks-
Get out of baking soda.
That didn't kill them.
Not at all. They just come back in droves.
Well,
No, I don't see them. I just see the bubbling. You see them?
What's that chocolate
All right,
milk?
Oh, there they are.
they upset.
They're mad
Let's
now.
go ahead and get them a second
But
one.
let me explain something to y'all. Y'all be careful because that ant bed extends all the way out here. You can't even see it.
Well, the baking soda and the vinegar didn't work.
Oh Lord.
So, give us a thumbs up anyway. Remember, guys, work hard, play hard, love hard, pray hard. Next time, guys, God bless you and God bless your experiment. Peace.